Arjun, today feels like a perfect day to go outside.
That sounds nice. Where would you like to go?
I was thinking about visiting the mall. We still need many things for our new home.
That is true. Our house still feels a little empty.
And shopping together will make it more special.
Then let's get ready. Today will be our first shopping trip as a married couple.
I'm excited already. I used to come here with my friends before marriage.
And now you are coming here with your husband.
Life changes in beautiful ways.
Marriage is not only about responsibilities, it is also about sharing small happy moments.
Like today. Look at all the lights and shops. Everything looks so beautiful.
Where should we go first?
Maybe the home decor store. I want to buy something for our living room.
Good idea. A comfortable home starts with small details.
And with love. This lamp looks perfect for our bedroom.
Yes, the soft light will make the room feel warm.
And look at this picture frame. We can put our wedding photo in it.
That would remind us of our special day.
Every time we see it, we will remember our promises.
Why don't you try this dress?
It looks beautiful, but do you really like it?
I like anything that makes you smile.
That is a very smart answer.
Marriage teaches men many smart answers.
Shopping can be tiring.
But it becomes fun when we do it together.
I feel happy today
Why?
because we are building our life step by step.
And every small step matters.
Today was simple but very special.
The best memories are often simple.
Our home will look beautiful with the things we bought.
But the most important thing in our home is not furniture.
What is it?
Our love and our time together.
That is the best decoration any home can have.
Marriage is not only about big celebrations, it is about small, everyday moments. When two people share life together, even a simple shopping trip becomes a beautiful memory.